video. Can I open on the bottom?
This is a Playmobil, right? Playmobil.
Yeah,
Playmobil figures. Playmobil blind bag.
Blind bag.
They always put, oh, this one, yeah. You can check them out on Facebook and YouTube. It's always talking about Facebook and YouTube.
Always I break. It's okay, right? You can just do it back on the top. Sometimes if I don't follow the rules, this thing happens, right?
Yeah, weird thing happens.
Oh.
Liberty?
This has a lot of things.
Liberty or what? Wow, wow, wow.
Ew!
We got crabs. This one. We got this one. It's a kind of fishman, a fish girl.
I hate it.
We got the crabs. And lobster. You like lobster?
I thought it was a spider and scorpion.
You see? You know, it's a lobster.
I don't know.
The lobster's going to eat you, you see? No, the lobster's going to bite you. They don't eat you, it's too small.
Yeah.
You can eat it.
Yeah, you can eat them.
You know the most dangerous animal for the lobster and the crabs is what?
They eat. What did they eat? They eat.
Human. Human eat a lot of lobster and crabs.
Oh,
We are the most dangerous species.
No, the lion
those
is the
animals.
most dangerous.
What? Lion?
Yeah.
But you know more lion are being killed by human than human killed by the lions. You want to cough?
No, I just have something in my throat. I cannot talk like I usually do right now.
You got a sore throat or what?
I don't have a sore throat.
Well, you need to take some medicine, did you?
I don't know how to say it in Chinese though. She has a hat.
Yeah.
Like you always do like this.
Yeah.
You put the hair on for me.
Who's a
Like
girl?
mostly the character I did it. Ew. Ew, I hate these thingies. Thank you.
She look like a boy.
No, he's a girl.
I know. I said she look like a boy.
Why does she look like a boy?
You know, just look like.
Why?
There's no
Give
reason.
me a reason.
Sometimes something has no reason.
I
But-
have no
Well,
reason all
the reason
time.
is that I just feel that she look like a boy.
Thank you. Okay, so move on to the next series. Let's just show you guys first. By the way, it's already 10 now. But we're moving on to the next series. Bye.